The ULTA Stunning Spring Scents Kit is available now for $25 with 6 new spring scents. Stunning Spring Scents 6-piece sample kit is a stunning and fierce collection of new fragrance favorites. Your new spring scent awaits. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. You will also receive a $15 off a $50 qualifying fragrance purchase from brands featured in this kit. You will receive a Mugler Alien Goddess Supra Floral Eau Perfume 0.04 ounces, Dolce & Gabbana Q Eau de Perfume 0.05 ounces, Givenchy Lillet Rogue Eau de Perfume 0.03 ounces, Yves Saint Laurent Libre Eau de Perfume 0.04 ounces, Prada Paradox Intense Eau de Perfume 0.04 ounces, and Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb Eau de Perfume 0.04 ounces. I have tried the Flower Bomb. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these others, and if you're going to pick up this kit. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.